all and welcome back to my universe. I hope you are doing well and everything in your life just going all right. So आज हम करने वाले हैं natural makeup look, everyday makeup look and with all those products which are rupees under 300 जो मैंने अपने previous videos में आप लोगों के साथ share की थी, उन सारी products से आज हम एक makeup look create करेंगे and वो भी natural जो skin like लगे बिल्कुल भी. So let's get started. So yeah, as you guys can see, I have put a headband to like my hair in between eye. So yeah, I was saying like I have no makeup, I have nothing on my face. I have just washed my face and used a toner and a lip balm a bit. So that's it. So we are gonna do skin care a bit, जिससे क्या होता है कि स्किन के यूज़ करने से हमारा जो मेकअप है वो बहुत ही फ्लॉलेसली लगता है कि वी आर लाइक नेचुरली लाइक दिस. सो इसलिए स्किन केयर बहुत ज़रूरी. सो आई एम गोना यूज़ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस एल्प्स गुडनेस का सीरम. ये आप लोगों ने मेरे स्किन केयर वीडियो में देखा है. सो आई एम गोना यूज़ दैट. Okay, so after serum now it's time to moisturize our face. So you all must have guessed it कि I'm gonna use Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. So ये बहुत अच्छा oil free moisturizer है, काफ़ी light weight है. That's why I like using this. And इसके बारे में मैं आप लोगों से कई बार बात कर चुकी हूँ. So without wasting our time, let's. ओके, सो नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू आ सनस्क्रीन. सनस्क्रीन के लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ लोटस का हर्बल सेफ सन यूवी स्क्रीन मैट जेल अल्ट्रा स्मूथनिंग एंड दिस इज़ अ मैट लुक एंड ऑयल कंट्रोल सनस्क्रीन एंड दिस इज़ विथ PA++, UVA SPF 50 and UVB and this is for normal to oily skin. So I'm gonna use this a bit. So yeah, whether you are at home or going out, whatever the season is, you must use a sunscreen. I have told you this so many times. Many YouTubers have said this for so many times. So yeah, sunscreen is really important. And इस मेकअप लुक के लिए हम जितने अच्छे से अपना स्किन केयर रूटीन करेंगे, हमारा मेकअप उतना अच्छा दिखेगा. So it's gonna be really light makeup. So इसलिए we want our skin to look healthy, look nice, look luminous and look a bit glossy, look इस तरह से शाइन आए, इस तरह से हमारा स्किन दिखे कि ज़्यादा मेकअप की ज़रूरत ही ना पड़े. Okay, so after sunscreen I'm gonna use a little bit of facial oil. Facial oil हम इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं ताकि स्किन में हमारा मेकअप अच्छी तरह से सेट रहे, कहीं जाए नहीं, स्मज ना हो, केक अप ना दिखे. इट लाइक अ प्राइमर ऑल्सो. सो लाइक इफ़ यू हैव एन ऑयली स्किन आई विल रिकमेंड यू ऑल नॉट टू यूज़ अ फेशियल ऑयल, बट देन आई कैन गो विथ इट. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो आई एम गोना यूज़ गुड वाइब्स का almond brightening facial oil and I'll just take 2 drops of it, not much, and I will focus it mostly जहाँ पे I'm gonna take 1 and that's 2 drop, that's it, and I'm gonna focus it mostly where I have a pores ताकि वहाँ पे मेकअप जो है अच्छे से सेट रहे. And from the center I'm moving outwards and massaging it all in. So can you see, I mean just 2 drops of this facial oil makes my skin look so luminous, so glossy, so illuminating, right? So that's why I use this. आपकी skin within से जितना glow करेगी उतना makeup आपका अच्छा दिखेगा. Okay, so now let's begin with our makeup. So I'm using here Blue Heaven का primer which I showed you under rupees 300. So I'm gonna use that. So taking a little bit, as you can see it's a silicone based primer. So yeah, I'm just focusing on my T-zone area mostly and from center I'm gonna move it outwards and spread it all over my face. I'm gonna fill up my brows very quickly. Till then हमारा जो primer है वो set हो रहा है. So let's do it. Now it's time to move on to our base. As you all know, daily basis पे मुझे foundation पसंद नहीं है. So I'm not gonna use foundation. I'm only gonna conceal those pigmented areas. So I'm gonna use Swiss Beauty का concealer which I have showed you guys in my previous videos. So guys, while blending, I really want to tell you all very quickly that I used a concealer shade in the number 4, and this is the shade which matches with my skin tone. So every skin tone, every skin type, every skin texture is different. So I'll recommend you all to use to purchase a product according to your skin tone. Like if you are fairer than to me, so you're gonna go for a light concealer than this. If you're a deeper than me, so you're gonna take any dark concealer. So you're gonna purchase any concealer or any face product according to your skin tone, according to your skin type. Skin types as in I mean oily, acne prone, normal, dry. These are the skin types. So you're gonna choose your product according to your skin type and your skin tone. So yeah, so I have blended my concealer all in. So this is what my face looks like right now. I'm gonna set it quickly with the Lakme rose powder. So now coming for our eyes, I'm gonna use Swiss Beauty का Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and as I guys told you that I only use this shade, this brown shade right here. So I'm gonna use that. Now I like to go with this eye look. I mean, this is perfect for me, but if you want to enhance more, so do what? Use a Sivana Colors highlighter, any highlighter if you have. I'm showing this Sivana Colors because I've showed you in my 300 makeup products, so that's why I'm using this. So I'm gonna take this pink shade right here. So I'm gonna take little bit on my brush and then apply it on my eyelid. with the eye makeup, so let's move on to our face. And for the face, let's use a blush now. And blush के लिए I told you guys to use an Essence का blush. If you have any other blush, you can go with it. But below 300, under 300, I was having this one, so I recommended you all this. So this is Essence का Silky blush, and this is in the shade Baby Doll. So what I do normally, like I go with my lipstick only, but then this is weather. In this weather, we're gonna use only powder products जो आसानी से melt down ना हो, ताकि हमारे फेस को इंटैक्ट रखे, स्वेट प्रूफ बनाए रखे. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गोना यूज़ दिस. सो इन समर्स जितना पाउडर चीज़ें हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे, पाउडर प्रोडक्ट्स, इट गोना बी अ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग मोर. और जितना हम लोग लिक्विड प्रोडक्ट, ये सारी चीज़ें यूज़ करेंगे तो वो बहुत आसानी से मेल्ट डाउन हो जाएगा. I see so pretty this blush is, and I go with overdo a blush a little bit कि अगर फेड भी हो तो थोड़ा बहुत स्टेन तो रह जाए. So that's why on the apple of my cheeks and then blending it towards my hairline. Bit on my nose, some on my chin. For the second last thing, I'm gonna use a highlighter. This is same Sivana Colors ka Shimmer Breaks. So I'm gonna take this silver shade which actually reflects as a golden. So I'm gonna use that, starting with my tip of my nose, little bit on the middle of my nose. All the highest points of my face, like brow bones, I'm gonna highlight them, like cheekbones. Okay, so before applying a lipstick, I'm gonna set my face with this makeup fixer from Blue Heaven. So I'm gonna take a little shower in this. So the makeup fixer which we use, makeup fixer का जॉब यही होता है कि हमारे मेकअप को इंटैक्ट रखे और लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बनाए, और जितने भी पाउडर प्रोडक्ट्स है वो आसानी से हमारे चेहरे पे मेल्ट डाउन हो जाए ताकि वो नेचुरल सा लुक आए. So that's why we have used a makeup fixer. And now let's go with the last product. This is lipstick. This is Nykaa ka Matte to Last lipstick, which I showed you in my previous video. So I'm gonna use this as my lipstick today, and this is in the shade Bombay. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope आप लोगों को ये makeup tutorial अच्छा लगा होगा. This is very natural, very subtle, and can you guys see the glow on my face? I was talking about this luminous glow कि हम जब natural makeup करें तो इस तरह से glow दिखनी चाहिए हमारे face पे. So yeah, this is the glow I was talking about. So there were many of my subscribers who wanted me to do this natural looking makeup. There's a cute little girl from school named Humaira. She really wanted me to do this natural makeup look. So this is for you, Humaira, and many others also whose name I'm forgetting. Please excuse me for that. And this is for you all. You all wanted me to do a natural makeup look, so I just thought कि क्यों ना मैं उन्हीं मेकअप से करूँ जो स्कूल कॉलेजेस गर्ल्स के लिए बजट फ्रेंडली हो. So that's why I did this makeup look for you all. So please let me know आप लोगों को कैसा लगा है. And yeah, all these makeups I have shown in my previous video, which was under ₹300. So go check it out now. I will provide you the link in the description box. And और जो भी products मैंने use किए हैं उन सभी products के links भी मैं description box में दे दूँगी. So don't forget to check it out. So yeah, this natural glowy makeup look, I mean for every day, this is really good for you. So yeah, with this we have come to the end of this video. So yeah, I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट डाउन करके बताइए. Let me know what else I can do for you all, and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell icon so that you get my latest update. And yeah, also follow me on Insta where I post some short videos like IGTV videos with some makeup tutorials, with some lipstick swatches. So go watch that and follow me there. So मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ अपने next video में. तब तक के लिए take care, stay safe, be kind, very importantly be kind, and be kind to yourself as well. So yeah, see you guys, much love, bye.